Here's interesting app 4K Live Wallpapers Go. There are so many charging play background wallpapers these days. Um, and yeah, so basically you can install numerous wallpapers, HD quality charging, personalized creation, easy to collect. So yeah, but the app is quite large, 111 megabytes. Also, other app I installed in this niche, it was like 2 gigabytes. It was quite buggy actually. Um, so here and yeah, so then there are a lot of annoying ads in these apps. But yeah, you can try 3 days for free, then $4.99 per week. Cancel anytime. Yeah, so there you have it. So here, then you can just see some live wallpapers, but even to see them, you will need to. So here you just see this live wallpaper, which is like moving and it's pretty cool. Then you can just swipe right and then you can see other wallpapers. Then you can see all these adorable cats and all of that. So it's like pretty cool. And then you can just get it to your device. But of course, sometimes you will need to upgrade to get the premium ones. And you can see static, also some nice static wallpapers. They are not live, but they are still fun. So here you can see if you just want to, have a bit better wallpaper. That's what you have here. So then you can just go through categories like hot, abstract, animals, anima, background, brand, car, cartoon. You can also create your own wallpaper. You can go to discovery, you can go to stories, and then you can also install these charging wallpapers. Like here you have this, and then you can just favorite it as well, and then you can just tap to set it up. But yeah, if you want to set it up, you will need to upgrade and pay for it. So there you have it.